Pre-Calc. It is Tuesday, March 24th, and I was thinking about sending out a long email with some updates, but I figured instead of reading a long email, maybe you'd rather just watch and listen. So I wanted to go over a few things. First thing, every week I do plan to post the plan for that week just on the home page for Pre-Calc, a PDF. I'll try to have that up Sunday earlier or for sure by Monday, the different things that are going on that week. That'll be posted on the homepage. Also on the homepage is always where I will post anything quiz related or anything that you have to turn in, like with Turnitin, that'll always be right there on the homepage. Otherwise, everything for learning will be under like the chapter 2 tab. The videos, the keys, anything like that will be under the chapter 2 tab. So a few things that are important this week. You're finishing up that Desmos activity that Miss Harton made. That is due by the end of today. That's just practicing your 2.5 skills. You should also be working on the 2.5 review. That's something I actually gave you the last Friday we were together. And that key is posted on Power School Learning, as well as the bookwork review. If you have any other questions, you've got to email me and ask me. That's the only form of communication we have right now. So if you're not bugging me by emailing me, please email me your questions and I'll get back to you. So when it comes to responding to you, I promise I will always respond by the end of the day. I'm going to try to respond as soon as possible, but I'm home with 3 kids. So for sure, if you email me, I'll have a response to you by the end of that day. Okay, important things for this week. On Wednesday, you're going to take your first quiz for Pre-Calc on Power School Learning. It's not a PDF. It's not anything you're going to write. You're going to do the whole thing on Power School Learning. You can have scratch paper ready to do your work, but it's multiple choice and matching. And that'll be posted, let's see, I have that by noon on Wednesday. It'll be available for you to take. And you get 40 minutes to take it, and you actually are going to get 2 attempts. So you can start it as soon as Wednesday at noon, and you have to finish it by Thursday at the end of the day at 11:59. And that's just over 2.5. So that's what you need to be ready for. So then on Friday and over the weekend, you should be studying all of chapter 2, because on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to start, instead of a test, it's going to be just a big quiz over chapter 2. That's going to take place on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So I'm going to have some review materials posted on Friday for you to start studying for the test. And then on Monday, I'm going to go back to posting a PDF. Your big quiz is going to be 2 parts. One part is going to be a PDF that you write on and turn it into me. The second part is going to be an online multiple choice matching true false quiz, but it's online. Okay, so the PDF is going to be posted on Monday. And that's something that, again, you have the option to print it off, write directly on it, or just write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. This time, everybody needs to turn it in. I'm not encouraging any sort of partner work because I don't want you going over to each other's houses. Obviously, I can't stop you from discussing it. Sure, if you're going to do that on the phone, discuss it, but no going over to each other's houses to work on Pre-Calc. Let's see. So that's something you either print off, work on directly on the paper, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper and just number it. You'll get access to that on Monday, and it's due at the end of the day, Tuesday. Okay, that's part 1. So you have 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, to do part 1. On Tuesday, and only on Tuesday, is where you'll take the online version, the multiple choice, where you have a limited amount of time to do it, and you have to do it online, and you'll only have 1 attempt at that. That'll be all day Tuesday that you have to do that. Okay, so we're working towards a big quiz, cumulative chapter 2 quiz, big quiz next week, Monday and Tuesday. And then this week, tomorrow, Wednesday, is when you have to take that. that you have tomorrow through Thursday to take the chapter or the 2.5 quiz. And then next week, Wednesday, we're going to start new stuff, chapter 3. But please don't hesitate to email me. Let me know how I can help. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can.